Alright everyone, buckle up because today we're taking a thrilling journey into the fascinating realm of extreme antioxidants. You might be scratching your head right now, thinking, what's that all about? Well, let me just give you a heads up. These incredible natural substances can do some unbelievable things for our bodies, including protecting us from radiation. Can you believe that? Let me introduce you to the Chernobyl shield mushroom.
Wait. Chernobyl? Like, the nuclear disaster? How on earth can a mushroom even grow there?
Exactly. This isn't just any ordinary mushroom, we're talking about Cladosporium sphaerospermum. It's thriving in the exclusion zone around Chernobyl, where radiation levels are literally through the roof. What's incredible is its ability to absorb harmful radiation and convert those deadly gamma rays into energy thanks to melanin. It's like this superhero of the fungus world, turning danger into something beneficial.
Whoa, that's totally wild. So, are we saying this mushroom could potentially help someone be less affected by radiation? Like, what?
Well, that's the hope. In experiments, it indeed shows great potential in detoxifying the effects of radiation. Imagine if we could harness that power. It's a lot like how certain plants manage to thrive in harsh environments. Speaking of which, have you ever heard of the eternity lichen?
No. What's that all about? I feel like it's about to get even crazier. Laughs.
Oh, it absolutely does. The eternity lichen, or Xanthoria elegans, was actually tested in space by the European Space Agency. Not only does it survive out there, but it packs a punch with fulvic acid, an antioxidant that's way more powerful than resveratrol, which is found in red wine. You could say, in the antioxidant arena, it's the galactic champion.
Wow. So like, drinking a bottle of red wine is comparable to gulping down tomato juice compared to this lichen in the antioxidant world? That's nuts.
Perfect analogy. And this brings us to something exciting. Personalized phytotherapy could revolutionize health as we know it. Imagine being able to analyze your genome to select specific plants that activate genes for detoxification, like NRF2.
NRF2? Is that, like a real thing, or are we diving into sci-fi territory here?
Oh, absolutely a real thing. It's a game changer, especially for people with the APOE4 allele who face an increased risk for Alzheimer's. They can gain immense benefits from plants like turmeric, gotu kola, and brahmi, acting as botanical bodyguards against cognitive decline.
Okay, now that is super interesting. But, what if someone just can't stomach the taste of those plants? What's the workaround? Laughs.
Great question. In fact, there are longevity clinics like one in Switzerland that utilize something called plant RNA therapy. They even harness ginseng root exosomes to rejuvenate cells. It's literally like hitting a refresh button for your body.
No way. So it's like plugging yourself into a power source for your health? That's kind of amazing.
Exactly. And to top it off, we're even growing vitamin K-enriched lettuce in space aboard the ISS. They have this cool greenhouse called Veggie, where astronauts can grow and eat their own greens. Talk about pulling the best from plants, even in outer space.
That's bananas. So many possibilities. But, if I wanted to try something right now, what would you suggest? Laughs.
Oh, I've got a fantastic DIY test for you. You could mix adaptogenic powders like rhodiola and ashwagandha with cocoa, then measure your heart rate before and after to see how your body responds to stress. It's a fun little experiment.
Okay, that sounds like a tasty science class experiment. But, what about launching a little project on the side? Laughs.
Fantastic idea. You can grow Indian quinoa under a UV lamp, which boosts its quercetin content. It's basically like having a cosmic garden experience right in your home.
Wow, what a trip. This stuff about antioxidants is mind-blowing. I feel like I need to go start a garden, or a science experiment.